Hey guys, so in this lecture, we are going to start creating together the lighting logo animation project. So first thing, as usual, hit Ctrl or Command N on keyboard to create a new composition. You are free to choose whatever settings you want. Then click OK. Now I'm going to import my logo, so double click on the project panel, select my logo to import, then drag and drop it on the timeline here. I'll also pre-compose it by hitting Shift Ctrl or Command C. I'll call it Logo. Make sure you select Move All Attributes option. Then click OK. And now go to Layer in the menu bar and select Auto Trace. This option will create a mask of solid lines around our logo automatically instead of creating them by hand so that we can create animation around it. Once you select it, you will get this settings window here. Make sure you select Preview checkbox here in order to see how your mask has been created around your logo. And then you can choose the best settings that will cover up your logo perfectly. In my case, I'll choose these settings. Also, make sure to uncheck this option as we don't want to apply the mask on a new layer because we don't want to create a new layer. Once you are done and happy with the results, click OK. You can always toggle your mask visibility by clicking on this icon here. Right now, we don't need to see it, so let's turn the visibility off. Now I'll go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for the Saber plugin that we have just installed in the previous lecture. Apply it on the logo composition layer here. Then go to the Effect Settings panel here. I'll open up the Customize Core and change the core type to Layer Masks. And now, as you can see here, the effect has been applied on our logo layer mask. Now in the preset field here, I'll set it to Arc Recreator. Great! Now we are going to animate this using the End Offset option here. So I'll drag my time indicator to the beginning of my timeline, set the End Offset to 0, then click on the stopwatch beside it, then go to 2 seconds, then set the End Offset to 50%. Now I'll select this layer, hit U on keyboard to get my keyframes, now I'll select all keyframes and add Easy Ease by either hitting F9 on keyboard or right-click Keyframe Assistant Easy Ease. Now let's click on the Run Preview and see what we have so far. So as you can see here, we have only half of our logo displaying, and this is exactly what we need for our project here. Now I'll go back to the Effect Settings panel and I'll open up the Render Settings. Then here in the Composite Settings, I'll set it to Transparent. I'll also change the color of the lights by clicking on the color swatch beside this glow color field. You are free to choose whatever color you want. Then click OK. Great! So far so good. Now I'm going to create a duplicate of this logo pre-composition by selecting it and hitting Ctrl or Command Z on keyboard. Then I'll go to the Effect Settings panel here and change the preset to Kryptonite. I'll also set the mask evolution to 180 degrees. And that's so it will cover up the rest of the logo, as you can see here. Great! Now let's change some more settings here to add some nice details to our logo. So here I'll open up the distortion, then open up the core distortion, and now I'll set the amount to 7. I'll also change the core size to 1 and choose another glow color here by clicking on the color swatch beside it. You are free to choose whatever color you want. Now this looks so much better to me. You are free to set whatever values you want according to your preference. I'm just showing you the way. Great! Now let's click on the RAM preview and see what we have so far. Perfect! So now we are ready to create our logo reveal here, and this is exactly what we are going to do next lecture. I hope you are enjoying so far. Thank you so much for watching and looking forward to seeing you next lecture.